as soon as you enter, you're going to get a living. This beautiful kitchen is that you get an 8 feet. So this is the master bedroom. Hello ladies and gentlemen, we are here at Canvas and Cove, built by Assets at Begur Road. And we're going to go inside and check out the property. This is massive, 17 acres of property, and it's going to take a long while, a beautiful long video. But apart from that, I want to tell you a fun fact. Housey is India's largest real estate platform, which allows you to get in touch with the developers directly and get the base rate of your favorite dream homes. So ladies and gentlemen, come quickly, book your free visits and book your dream homes with us. Welcome to Canvas and Cove, Eco Luxury Living. This is in Begur Road, and look at this massive model that we have right here. This is a whopping 17 acres of land parcel. This consists of phase 1 and that is phase 2. Let me talk to you about each phase first. But before that, once again, the connectivity. You have a lot of places nearby from this place. This is completely Begur, and you have Electronic City, Hosur Main Road, Manipal County Road, HSR, Banagatta, all of these very close by. You also have metro stations, that is Basapura and Singh Sandra metro station, that is close by to this place. And this is the entry for phase 1, if you see. And this is Tower A, Tower B, Tower C there, and Tower D. So that is how it is placed. They are very intentionally placed. So all the towers are of not the same height, only because they wanted sunlight, and this was properly planned according to natural ventilation and a high efficiency of natural lighting as well, so that you can have a beautiful lifestyle, eco-friendly lifestyle as well. So ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be talking about phase 1. This is completely built upon 8 acres of land, and this is an eco-luxury product. Sun path analysis is what it is called. It is intentionally placed in such a way where you have all the sunlight. And I'm going to be telling you about different floors that are available in Tower A. That is Tower A. If you can see the laser light, Tower A has ground floor plus 15 floors, and each tower has 2 basements for parking, and also 1 ground floor. And Tower B has ground floor plus 15 floors once again. That is Tower B, if you can see. Tower C has ground floor and 25 floors along with 2 basement parkings. And Tower D, that is the last one there, is Tower D. It has ground floor plus 26 floors, and a total of 700 apartments comprises of the phase 1. They are fabulous with space management and carpet efficiency. This project is completely based on space management, where they have intelligently spaced it in such a way that you use the entire house beautifully. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, now moving on to the amenities. This is actually the entrance of phase 1, and as soon as you enter and go inside for a little bit, you have the party hall right there in the beginning, and you also have an indoor badminton court right there on the right hand side. And then when you move this side, you also have 85 to 90 visitor car parking outdoors, which you can see right here. You also have a clubhouse. This is the clubhouse of phase 1, this side. The little one that you can see, you have a swimming pool. You have a 5 acres of park right here, walking area, stretch right there of a park. You also have a basketball court. You have a futsal court. This is the basketball and a futsal court. You have lawn tennis. Skating ring is just right here in between this side. You also have wooden duck area, that is camp fire zone. So that is happening in the 5-acre park that is here. So that is there. And you also have an organic garden. You have 2 indoor badminton courts as well. So you also have a netted cricket pitch over here, which everybody can use. And you have another throw ball court kind of a thing this side. You have a walking path right there. You have volleyball court, that is from here. This is the beach volleyball court, because you have a water body here. This is a humongous water body. This is Begur Lake. This is it's natural completely, and you're going to get a lake view. So this project basically they concentrated on having a lake view for all the clients as well, so you get to see the lake when you wake up. So yes, that is what it is, and all the amenities mostly are outdoors so that you can enjoy the lake and the amenities as well. And when you walk inside, you have a swimming pool this side, you have a kids play area, also a baby swimming pool right there. So yes, this is what it looks like. So yes, pet park is also here, I think. So this is also pet park. So yes, let's move on to the model of different flats and what all they have available and how they have built, why they have built, all of that. So ladies and gentlemen, let's talk about the concept on which Canvas and Cove homes were built upon. That was carbon healing home. So they're building on this concept where they're trying to safeguard the environment and being recycling friendly and waste friendly as well. The very first thing is waste management, where they are taking all your kitchen waste or your wet waste and converting into energy in their biogas plants, right? So they use this energy as electricity in their clubhouses and common area of lighting in case of emergency. So all your wet waste is converted into electricity. How cool is that? So the next thing is they have centralized RO water purifiers, and they have bore wells. They have 6 bore wells for phase 1 and I think many more for phase 2. So this is how they are converting their drinking water. So they go to the water softeners from there and directly onto your kitchen taps. So all your drinking water is centralized. They also have conserving electricity, that is motion sensors in the complete community in all places where it is possible. If it will sense your motion, if you're there, then the electricity switches on. If you're not there, the electricity doesn't switch on. So that is how they conserve electricity and zero waste to land. So what they do in this place, this community, is they make sure that no waste goes out of the community. All the waste is recycled and converted within these homes inside the community. They have different places for all of it, and it is completely very smartly, naturally planned because they care for the environment, simply because of that. And the deeper groundwater recharge pits are there as well, and also rainwater harvesting. So they have kept in mind every single element of how to conserve and be environment friendly and to make sure that you have the healthiest living possible and give back to planet Earth. Ladies and gentlemen, there are 2 BHK and 3 BHK flats in phase 1. 2 BHK is 983 square feet super built up area, and we are going to check out the sample flats that are available here. So follow us there. Ladies and gentlemen, we are here at the phase 1. This is 2 BHK and we are going to be looking inside for what is inside, and right now I'm going to be telling you this is the floral space and the entrance of the apartment where you can keep your shoe racks and also your welcome plants, all of that to welcome your guests. So come on in, ladies and gentlemen, and this is 983 square feet of super built up area completely. As soon as you enter, you're going to get a living space. This is beautiful, well thought out, and you have the living space and the dining table right here in the same area. It is extended for your family, and you also have a very beautiful stunning balcony right there, so that you can extend your evenings into your balcony and actually have a great time in your home. And from here, I'm going to be moving on to the kitchen space, because kitchen is the heart of your homes and your ladies are very, very specific about kitchen. So let's go and have a look at the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. The speciality of this beautiful kitchen is that you get an 8 feet of a big window. It is beautiful and stunning. These fittings are really not there in your apartment. You get to customize your kitchens as per your liking. So your kitchen is your canvas. You get to choose what you like, where you like it, and all of that. So ladies can go completely creative and make sure that they have everything, all the utilizing part of their kitchen, what is important to them. They can place it wherever they like to place it and figure it out. Now let's move on to the bedroom, ladies and gentlemen. So we have a guest bedroom right here. You have an attached bathroom, looks like, with this. Once again, this is a fabulous room. You have a very, very long wardrobe space here once again. The wardrobes are completely customizable. You can choose what you like. and you can do that. And you have a study table, all of that right here, and obviously another beautiful bathroom right here. Come inside, and I think bathroom space is very well designed. They also have ceramic tiles with wooden finish in the shower area alone, and they have Jaguar fittings in the bathroom. Jaguar is my favorite brand, so I love Jaguar fittings. So this is what you get, quality. And let's move on to the next master bedroom, shall we? Come on in. So before that, I'm going to be telling you about Housey. Housey allows you to see the location, the house, the room tours, all of it in 360-degree angles, and you get to approach the developer very directly. All the pricing details, everything is extremely transparent. You get to book your free visits here, and you get beautiful pricing on your dream home. So book your dream homes right now through us, and let's go to the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. You get a wooden finish floor right here, and you have a tuck-in wardrobe there, which is humongous. I think a complete life-size wardrobe. I love a good wardrobe. And you have an 8-feet window, which ensures natural lighting. One side of it, the top of it is movable, so you can move this, and you can open your windows. They also have a mesh that comes with it so that no mosquitoes come in. So it is well lit, well ventilated, and you're going to feel easy breezy and happy here. Let's move on to the bathroom. Let's see what is in the bathroom. Once again, like I told you, the tiles are different in the shower area. It is a wooden finish ceramic tiles, and the fittings are Jaguar once again.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.